All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let me set up oh, let me go set up TikTok now, bro. Oh, look, bro, I look completely forgot about my shit on or my clothes. That shit is in the laundry, bro. Got this fucking phone stand just for this shit. Post this right here. I'm gonna have to run downstairs real quick. Sign into chat. Alright. Hold on, bruh. I told this it's not. Oh wait, that ain't even the right email. Continue. Continue. Oh my goodness. Piss me off, bro. Something went wrong. What the fuck do you mean? Okay, whatever. Alright. I'm gonna be right back. I gotta go do my laundry real quick. I gotta go grab some shit out of the laundry. Y'all gonna have to give me a minute. I think my sister just got home. I might go have to record some content. Alright, I'm back. I just gotta set up the TikTok now. Timmy's live. I'm finna go live though. Live. Oh hell nah, bro. I just realized that I typed in plating Cuphead. Son. Ain't no way. Backtesting and chilling with viewers. Why is it? Bro, I just realized it said plating. Am I autistic, y'all? Ain't even nobody in this. Ain't even nobody in this. How do I fix that? Under review? Man! Yo, son. How do I fix that shit? Alright, whatever, bro. I'm just gonna fucking leave it as that. I realized it said plating, bro. I really should, what is it? Pull it up on my PC. Let me check what the poll is looking like, bro. It's still a clean, ones across the board, bruh. Hold on, bruh. I gotta add this shit to my. All right, there we go. There we go. Is it crooked? Looks crooked. I'm probably just on the spectrum though. Where's my mouse, bruh? Okay, all right. We can actually start live. We can actually start backtesting. Let me make sure none of this shit is in the frame. So I don't need motherfuckers being like, yo, what the fuck? But let me actually get into this. This is kind of in the way though. Low key a pain in my day. Shit. All right, let's actually get into this shit though. Let me get fucking already like 11 minutes into the YouTube stream and haven't even gotten one thing done. I'm motherfucker. Yo, bro. What I was gonna say is the motherfucker's just eating, but I sounded like a slob for a hot second. All right, let's get into this shit though. I guess I'll backtest the month of February this year. Damn, that shit bright. I wish I was able to lower the brightness on like the stream for TikTok, but whatever. Whatever. I guess I'll just like darken it. Am I gonna have to darken it like? Am I gonna just have to do black? Yo, bro. I mean, I guess that's okay, but it doesn't look good on the YouTube stream. How does that look, y'all? Let me know. Is that good for y'all on the TikTok? Y'all gotta let me know, bruh. Ain't even nobody in this motherfucker, though. So nobody gonna let me know. Ain't nobody gonna let me know, bruh. I can't even see the YouTube chat. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Now I can see the YouTube chat. Alright, type shit. Apply indicator to entire chart. Alright. Now time to backtest the month of February. Now I already know what is kind of gonna happen, but I just kind of want to see how shit reacts in the month of 2026. I probably shouldn't even be backtesting this month. Yeah, but fuck it. I'll do it anyways. Bro, it is. I don't like this color. Not gonna lie, I don't like that color at all. Man. Some bullshit, bro. I hate the fact that I can't go live on TikTok, bro. Or like, can't go live on my PC. Low key, just a pain in the ass. So we got this 4-hour gap. Internal high. Ooh. We have shit, bro. Bro, why the fuck? Bro, I wish I was able to change the backtesting the plating cup head strat. Dude, I gotta fix that shit, dog.
Why does it pop up like that? What the fuck? Bro, I'm so autistic, dog. I wish I... Oh my god. Hold on, y'all. I gotta fix that shit real quick, bro. That shit low-key just pissed me off, bro. Like deadass, bro. Why the fuck it give me an AI summary, bro? Fuck you. Fuck you, TikTok. I'm going live again, bro. I'm gonna restart this live. Bro, fuck TikTok, dog. What the fuck type of bullshit are you on talking about AI summary? Fuck you. Man, fuck you, TikTok. Alright, time to fix that shit real quick. I don't care. Video not appeal. Bro, I don't care if it's not appeal. Holy fuck. Yo, TikTok low-key be getting on my fucking nerves. Holy shit, I'm actually genuinely gonna crash out. Holy crap. Backtesting MNQ plus ES. MES. Go live. And then I'm finna close the live because I don't give a shit about this fucking... Bro. Oh my god, yo. This shit genuinely just gets on my nerves, dog. Holy crap. Fuck TikTok. Fuck. Fuck. Oh my god. I gotta... my cortisol is spiking, yo. Yo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Deep breath, y'all. What if I do this? How's that? What if I do this? Yo, that's low-key better, though. Why is that low-key better, though? Why is that low-key better, though? Yeah, yo. I'm about to just do that. I'm about to just do this. This is way better than having this shit fucking panorama mode or whatever. What the fuck motherfuckers call that shit? I don't know. Horizontal, vertical, whatever the fuck, bro. Whatever, bro. Whatever. Alright, no, I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm just gonna keep it like this. Oh, matter of fact, what if I do like this? Not upside down. Have that shit like that, bro. Go live. Let me fix it. Let me go like this. Upside down type shit? No. Yo, son. Left swipe to close. Man. Yo, TikTok live low-key just gets on my nerves. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That shit just pisses me off. That shit genuinely just pisses me off, yo. Cause tell me why. Tell me why I get restricted on my computer, but yet I can go live off of my phone and I can backtest all I want. Like, bro, what are we on about, bro? Genuinely, TikTok is dog shit, bro. I genuinely hate TikTok. Let's see what the poll's looking like. Alright. So it's just all ones, bro. I need some to pop up. Or not some to pop up. I need someone to sway the votes, bro. Cause I gotta do a challenge. I can't be just doing. I can't do all of them. I gotta do one, bro. Alright, let's actually get into this though. Finally, after waiting, or after like an hour or so, probably like 30 minutes. How long have I been live on YouTube? 20 minutes, yeah, bro. Finally getting into something. Alright, so we got session liquidity. Yo, what? Oh, okay. Okay.
Session liquidity. Same thing here, session. This is also a session high and an internal high. Same with this right here. I'd assume this is probably 130. Yeah. Session. Probably same with this session. Session. Another set. Bro, why FX replay gotta do me like that? I'm not even on the right time, bro. Yeah, bro, what the hell? Yo, bro. What the? Bro, this shit genuinely just pissing me off. I low-key hate backtesting now. Backtesting just pisses me off now. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It genuinely just gets on my nerves. Alright, oh, another session liquidity. Another session. Alright, let's see. Alright, so we're trading inside of a 4-hour gap. Is there a daily or some shit? Nope. Alright, I think I'm leaning bearish on this. I am leaning bearish. What I want to see is us trade out of this 4-hour, form like a 5, 15, or even 30. We have this hour gap. This isn't session. Yeah, this is not session. 1 hour. Copy, paste. Yo, this shit keeps boinging, bro. What the hell, bro? What the hell, bro? I gotta get another monitor. I'm not gonna lie. This shit just boings, bro. This phone stand is dopey. I don't even know why I got this shit. Oh, wait, I do. Because I'm a fucking dumbass. Yeah, this stream is literally just me crashing out, not gonna lie, so far. Literally just me fucking tweaking out. I completely forgot I was live on YouTube for a second. Alright, yeah, I want to see movement out of this 4-hour. Wait. Alright, Monday, February 2nd. Oh, wrong thing. Let me move this shit over. Alright. So yeah, I want to see movement out of this 4-hour gap. More like a 15, 5-minute, 30-minute. Honestly, probably 5-minute. Best option. Shit. Okay. Yeah, let's sweep this liquidity. Let us sweep this liquidity. I got fucking sugar on my lips, bro. I'm about to eat another donut, bro. That shit gonna smack. I'm not gonna lie. Mm. Mhm. 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 Mhm.
Let's get this fucking SMT, bro. Never mind. What are we trading to? Is there like a 1 hour? We do have this internal high. This 4 hour internal high. I can definitely see us trading to this. Damn, bro, that donut was low-key good as fuck, bro. I might have to take me another one. That shit good as hell. I want to see us respect this shit. I mean, we are close to all-time highs. I'm pretty sure this is all-time highs. Yeah, this is all-time highs. Same with this right here. We neared all-time highs. We just edged the shit out of it. All-time high. All-time high. Hold on, let me make sure I'm live on my YouTube account and not my other YouTube account. I should be live. I should be. Alright, yeah, we are live. We are live. Let me take a peek. Let's see, is anybody in this shit? Hell no, it's just me. Hell yeah. Just me in that bit. I love streaming to nobody, because then I can just talk about whatever the fuck I want. I definitely could see us trade into this 4 hour internal. But we'll see what this we do have 10 a.m. news. Let me mark that shit out. 10 a.m. right there. I'd want to see us respect that 4 hour. But we could easily just trade straight to the internal, which it seems like we're gonna do. If anything, I'll just look for a little bit of a continuation, like us form this 15-minute, which we do. Let me get rid of this 4 hour, because we're literally about to inverse that shit. Let's see this 15-minute get respected, and us. So even though I was bearish, we are pushing to all-time highs. So like, I don't want to see us tap into it. All right, let's see what news is. Bullish. Oh, yeah, bullish. Let's trade into this 15-minute, dog. Unless we traded into a 5-minute. We did trade into a 5-minute. Are we bouncing off of anything? Nothing. We did just form a 4 hour. But at the same time, we inverse the 4 hour. Yeah, I think I'm still gonna lean bullish. I'd want to see us tap into this 15-minute if I want to continue to be bullish. I can really give a fuck about that 5-minute. That 15-minute is the highest. I mean, we are respecting that shit though. Let's see, is there like a trade? Not like a trade. Is there a trade? Yeah, bro, I gotta take like speech lessons, bro. I'd be speaking like a delinquent. Alright, so we don't even get to tap into that 15-minute. We get to tap into the 5-minute, but not no fucking 15-minute, bro. What the hell, bro? What the hell? We tapped into the 5-minute right here. We didn't form the 15-minute. Or we didn't tap into the 15-minute, I mean. Yeah, so like low-key, I think I'm just gonna look for like a continuation, bro. Let's form a new 5-minute, bro. Alright, we formed a new 5-minute. Let's get a manipulation into that John, bro. We're definitely aiming for those internal highs. Ain't no way we aren't. Okay, so we're gonna form another fucking 5-minute, bro. Yeah, I remember why I like low key stopped backtesting. Cause it low key just pisses me off. Cause half the times we don't even do shit, bro. Like, bro, if we don't even get a tap into this 5 minute, yo, bro. I remember this. We literally pumped for no fucking reason. And with little to no retracement. This was the only retracement into that 5 minute. And if I were to enter, look at this fucking rejection, dog. Holy crap. Bro. Yeah, bro. I remember why low-key stopped backtesting, because that shit low-key that shit just pisses me off. That shit just pisses me off, dog. Backtesting just pisses me off. I know damn well we're gonna tap into the 5 minute and just plummet straight through that shit. Yeah, I remember this. I low-key remember this. Okay, we're actually getting some movement, so like low-key. We don't form the 3 minute. We have that 1 minute. Time to close on it is low-key dookie. We interact with it off rip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minutes to close. Do I want to take this? Do I want to take this? We did get manipulation into the 5 minute, and it is correlated manipulation. Is there an SMT? No, no, no. No SMT. Yeah, low key. I think I'm gonna take this. I definitely think we could probably take. I definitely think we probably are gonna aim for those internal highs. We are nearing all-time highs at the same time, so time to close on it is dookie. We literally pushed up with like no reason. We didn't tap into this hour gap. We inverse this 4 hour. I could have my stop loss underneath the 5 minute because we could easily remanipulate. I think I'll just have it underneath here. Then I'll break even. Oh, but there's that 5 minute gap. That's the highest time frame. Alright, yeah, I'll enter off the 5 minute now. 5 minute is the highest time frame, so yeah, I'm going to enter off that. Even though we did inverse it. Oh, wait, that's 4 minute. Oh, I'm a bit on the spectrum. And it okay, okay, yeah, I like this. I like this. I like this. I actually like this. I actually like this. So highest time frame is 4 minute. We end up tapping into the 15 minute fair value gap. What's RR? I guess I'll just aim for like 1 to 1, bro. Then I'll break even. I mean, I don't really have a clear break even. Yo, this shit be fucking. Shit piss me off, yo. Not gonna lie. And the fact that they. Like, what is this bullshit on FX replay, bro? They changed it up. Oh. Oh, I just realized my mic was muted on YouTube. That is my fault, y'all. I don't know if y'all even heard me. Reacting. Wait, maybe we are reacting off of like a daily gap or some shit. Weekly? No. Yo, I mean, I guess this daily gap is what we're reacting off of, but at the same time, we already filled that, John. Oh, son, this shit. Yo, I remember why I stopped backtesting, yo. 'Cause this shit just gets on my nerves, yo. Little continuation trade. RR is dookie. I mean, not dookie, but like, not even 1-to-1. I literally aim for a 1-to-1. Alright, let me journal this, John. Nothing, not reacting off of anything. But taking 15-minute cont with a 4-minute IFEG. Correlated. Correlated manipulation. TP 1-to-1 RR. Stop loss. Under candle that. Break even not clear. It is a 4-minute, right? All right, yeah. I just had to make sure. I'm not feeling too confident about it. I'll give it like a 45 or some shit. And what do I rate this? Probably like a B plus. I'll give it like a B plus in my opinion. Just because of the simple fact we aren't reacting off of anything. This fair value gap isn't sponsored, but I mean we are respecting it. We did get a pretty clean inverse. It only took 2 candles to invert. But yeah, all right. Let's see how this John plays out. Let me get a screenshot of the higher time frame. I'll do like the 15-minute. All right, let me quickly. Yeah. All right, no clear break even. Oh, yo, bro, what? There is no clear break even on this. I could probably see this getting stopped out. We'll see. Yeah. Just like I figured. I probably shouldn't have even taken this trade. I'll give this like 2 stars. Not even 1 star. I wish I was able to give like 2.5 or 1.5. But watch, this shit gonna run to my TP. Never mind. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, I'm gonna look for it. I'm gonna look for a trade now. If we get inverse this little 3-minute. All right, never mind. Never fucking mind, yo. What the fuck? Holy shit. I probably should have just taken some shit like maybe this like by the time we invert it, yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. We already interacted with that 15-minute. Is there a 30-minute? Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay. Okay, never mind. Session's about to be over on this. This trade was definitely not the best. We literally pushed up for no reason. 15-minute continuation was low-key ass. Yeah, fuck that, bro. Alright, next session. I'll probably do like a weekish of this. A week of this backtesting session. Oh yeah. 10 a.m. we close bullish. That is cooked. Alright, we left that internal high. I think that's gonna be the draw. Take these, take these, take these. We take these. I don't even think we tapped into that 1 hour. Maybe we did. No. Nope. We did not. This shit's just cooked, bro. Daily low. Previous day low. Copy, paste. We already took previous day high. We are nearing all-time highs on ES, which is making me want to lean bullish. We have this 4-hour gap, or two of these 4-hour gaps, that I'd like to see price probably tap into or some shit. Did I copy that? Yeah. Control V. V. Alright, yeah. Got my bias. Bullish on this bitch. Nearing all-time highs. I think this internal high is probably my draw. I would just like to see us tap into this 1 hour first. No, not 1 hour, 4 hour, I mean. Oh shit, bro. I'm tired as a bitch. I gotta work on my cursing, bro. I be cursing OD. I said this already, but I'm reiterating it. Is this session? Hell yeah. Is this a session? Hell yeah. I caught myself there. Caught myself from cursing. Same with this session, but we already take that high time frame SMT. Nah, but low key, I want to see us tap into that 4 hour if I want to continue to be bullish. What's the what take? So Tuesday, no news. Let me check on the poll. Nothing. It's still just ones across the board, bro. What are we doing, bro? Fuck, bro. There I go again, cursing. Yeah, bro, I definitely gotta work on my cursing. I be cursing way too much. It's not like I even do it on purpose. It just comes out. Pause. Alright, so we take Asia lows on ES. We don't on NQ. Oh, shit. Oh, there I go again, bro. Cursing again. Holy crap, bro. I definitely gotta work on that. I definitely gotta work on that. Alright, let's just see us tap into this 4 hour. Okay. Internal low. We already take that low on ES. We aren't really sweeping anything. Are we tapping into anything? Not really. Yeah, not at all. Swear we're gonna just get like a 30-second inverse. Yo, what? Why did it bring me all the way back to... Yo, what? It just brought me back all the way to... Bro, what? Yo, what the what the, what the fuck? I'm gonna have to restart. I'm gonna have to reload this. What the fuck, bro? FX replay been acting up, bro, and I do not fuck with it at all. It is it's pissing me off recently. They're updating it every single day. They updated it, and now placing an order is all weird. Now and changing or going to the next session's all weird. All right, we take that internal low. We do gotta. Okay, never mind. I was about to say we do got S&T. Holy shit, bro. I'm tired as a bitch. We get inverse this 30-second though. No, I gotta stick to my rules. I gotta wait for that 4 hour to get tapped, and then us form like a 5 minute or like a 15 minute or some shit. Let's tap into that 4 hour. All right, we tap into that 4 hour. If we form a 15 minute or a 5 minute for a little continuation. Okay. What are we doing, NQ? What are we doing, NQ? It looks like we're probably just gonna target that and then maybe, hopefully, go higher. Hopefully. We've already dumped like 200 plus points, bro. Either I take a continuation depending on how we react out of a 5 minute, or I take the inverse off of said 5 minute. Let's see. Do we even, you know what I should probably start doing? I should probably have like regular NQ, not MNQ up, and like see how that is. Because MNQ is just basically like the child version of NQ. So NQ is gonna show what it actually wants to do. And I bet you there's probably a 5 minute gap right here or some shit, bro. Cause what are we reacting off of? Quite literally nothing. Holy shit, bro. Yo, I'm tired as a bitch. Holy shit, I gotta wake up, bro. Let me drink. Holy shit, I low-key forgot I was even in the Discord. Let me disconnect out of that beam. Alright, let me actually lock in, bro. I'm so locked out. Alright, we're respecting the 1 minute on ES. We inverse the 1 minute on NASDAQ, though. I think I remember this day. I'm not gonna lie. We literally just dumped. No retracement into a 5 minute. I don't even think we formed, or we did form the 15 minute, but literally no retracement. We do, okay, we end up taking that 4 hour. Now let's just see some movement out of that bitch, bro. Or not. Just fucking, bro. Yeah, bro, I remember this day, because I was tweaking out, bro. I was tweaking out on this day, bro. I remember that shit, bro. Alright, we formed that 15 minute. We also have a 5 minute right here. Let me get rid of this 4 hour. Oh, but we invert. Okay, never mind. I thought we inverse both of them. Never mind. Do we have a 5 minute on? Yes. Nope. Alright, let's just see some type of manipulation. Okay, yeah, I remember this day. I remember this day clearly, bro. This shit got me pissed off, bro. We literally just dumped. Holy crap. I already know what's gonna happen. And there was literally like no entry. Holy shit. I literally remember what this fucking shit did, bro. Oh my god. 5 minute right there, 5 minute right here. I already know we ain't gonna get no bullshit ass retracement. I remember first week of February was absolutely buns, bro. At least in my opinion, first week of February was buns. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yo, I'm genuinely gonna crash out. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I might crash out, dog. Yeah, I could take this 2 minute continuation, but bro, that just doesn't follow my rules. So I ain't taking that shit. Oh, let's just see some type of manipulation into like the 15-minute, bro. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have another fucking 15-minute. This literally looks like, what is it? Thursday's price action, bro. Let's see how many points we dumped already. So, market open. Yup, this is, bro. This is literally like Thursday, bro. Oh my god. And we ain't gonna get no fucking retracement. Okay, we get a retracement. But it's already 10:51. Oh, Benjamin Netanyahu, bro. Do we form a 4 minute? Nah. We have that 3 minute. Let's inverse the 3 minute. Never mind. Okay, so we're just fucking manipulating again. Son, what are we doing? Alright, it's 11. So no trade for that day, bro. Yeah, bro, I remember that day. Yeah, we literally just dumped. Holy crap, bro. I remember the first week of February. That shit was dog. Literally just pumped and dumped. And I already know what's gonna happen. We're just gonna pump on this day. I hate backtesting because it's literally like reliving trauma, quote unquote trauma. It's not actual trauma, but like, y'all know what I fucking mean, bro. Don't even comment some bullshit. Oh, trauma from the market? Shut the fuck up. Let's get some music in this, John. Let me quickly let me mute my desktop audio on OBS. I'll probably go on mute on YouTube for a little bit. Not probably, I am. All right. So, let me just go on a different pair. I'll just go on regular NQ. So like, let me full screen this, John. So, let's say we are in an uptrend. We're in an uptrend, and on the higher time frame, like the 4 hour, the 1 hour, or even the daily, we create a gap, and we come and tap into said gap and respect it. After we come and tap into the gap, we form like a 5, 15, 30-minute gap, like right here. This gap would be, oh wait, this gap would be sponsored. That's not how you spell sponsored. I'm autistic. This gap would be sponsored. This is the sponsorship gap because it's high time frame, 4 hour slash 1 hour daily slash 4 hour slash 1 hour. Sponsored 5 slash 15. Let me do a minute. 5 slash 15 minute. And oh wait, okay, there we go. And then we get a tap back into it and invert like a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minute gap, or 30-second. This 5 minute gap, this entire leg out of this daily 4 hour or 1 hour gap is sponsored. So we can either make multiple 5 or 15 minutes, or just literally make one big one. We can come and tap into either of those. You just want to see us tap into either one. Shit. Can I get rid of that? No. So, both of these gaps inside of the leg, just the entire leg, is sponsored. Out of the daily 4 hour, 1 hour gap. Just any high time frame gap. We get movement into it. We get a, oh wait, you can't even see that. We get movement into it, and then we have a clean leg out of it, creating 5, 15-minute gap. We tap into said 5, 15-minute gap, which is a sponsored one. What does sponsored mean? It just means it's like, it's way higher probability than like, let's say like, hold on, I gotta find like an example, bro. Let me find an example real quick. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Second week of February was really clean. I will admit. I was low-key just being a chud, though. Okay. Yeah. I remember this. I remember this. I remember this. This was the final week, or the final day of the first week. So we have this 4 hour gap right here. We end up tapping into the 4 hour gap, and where is that? Yo, bro. We end up tapping into it. This was at 9:30. We end up tapping into it, and we resweep liquidity, aka turtle soup. So we take that low, and then we end up inverting this 30-minute. I'm pretty sure there's a 5-minute. If you want to go more in depth into it, into like sponsorship, watch Ronin or Bionic NQ. So, as you see here, this is a high time frame gap, 4-hour gap. We've tapped into it before. We start to get movement out of it, but then right as market opens, 9:30. Hold on. Hi, how are you doing? I'm doing good. Ronin slash Bionic NQ. Is that how you spell it? Is that how it's spelled? Yeah, that's how you spell it. So yeah, as you see here, I gotta get back into it. I was in a flow state. So yeah, we end up tapping into the 4-hour. We sweep liquidity, and inside of this leg right here, we form a 5-minute. We tap into the 5-minute, and we respect it because it is sponsored. Let me find it. Let me find it. Let me find it. Let me cook. Let me cook. Let me cook. Bro. How long have you been practicing the skill? Well, I started to learn how to day trade back in like May of 2025, but I was more focused on Forex. I didn't start learning like I didn't really start understanding until probably January, December. Have you ever tried trading with volume profile and delta? I've I want to learn more. I mean, what I'm getting at is order flow vibes from that. I do want to learn order flow. I think I'm probably gonna get in a call with my friend later and just like brainstorm and like look for order flow shit. But no, I haven't traded. I haven't tried trading with volume profile and delta. What's your strategy? Mech model. Oh shit, hold on. I use mech model, which is Blake's strategy, PB Blake, and B and Q's strat. Full port your family on GC tomorrow at Yo, son. Fuck no! Dog, the whole shit with fucking the whole war with Iran that's going on, or with US, Israel, and Iran. Fuck no, bro. Bro, I thought March was gonna be a good month. Then I woke up to that bullshit today. Pissed me off. You funded? No, not yet. I gotta do a challenge because I haven't gotten funded this month. I'm starting a new where is hold on, bro. Let me find this. Because I gotta explain to someone. Um I've started a monthly challenge where if I don't pass a funded account or I don't get a payout, I got to do a punishment. So right now, hold on, I'll tell you the punishment that I got. There's 5 punishments in my Discords. In my Discord, people are. There's a poll. So first one is be a trainee for a day. Second one is 1 chip challenge. Third one is get nipple piercing. Just 1 nipple pierced. Fourth one is a milk mile. And then the fifth and final one is mystery shake. Whichever one wins on it, I gotta do no matter what. I started with Forex and did really bad there and switched to futures and learned order flow. It's ringing right now perfectly, especially in New York session. Yeah, no, I definitely want to learn more. I definitely want to learn order flow. Have you made money from trading yet? No, I haven't. I haven't earned a single dollar off of trading, but soon, soon, I'm gonna make the money. I'm gonna make the money. What made you pick this one after Forex? Futures is way more volatile, and with Forex, with the pair that I was trading at the time, I had to be I was trading a GBP USD, so the more optimal time to trade it was London session, which starts at 2 a.m. and I didn't want to be up at 2 a.m. I'd rather be on market at 9 p.m. or not 9 p.m. 9 a.m. 9:30 a.m. is when New York Stock Exchange opens. Futures hella volatile, and plus fundeds for Forex cost so much. It's genuinely crazy. I remember seeing like a 5K funded for Forex, and it costed like, I'm pretty sure like $100, $100+. Shit is OD, bro. But with like futures, bro, Alpha Futures account, which is what I use. I paid like what, $70 for that. I mean, yeah, it's $70 is $70. I can make that shit in like what, less than an hour with my job. So that's why I made the switch to futures. And plus, Forex is low key just mid as fuck. All right, but yeah, let me get back to let me with to, fuck with the whole sponsorship shit. Uh, this 5 minute is a sponsored 5 minute because we're getting the movement out of said 4 hour gap or 1 hour gap or whatever this was. And then we get this inverse fair value gap on the 2 minute time frame. So my entry would have been right here. Stop loss would have either, I mean, I think there was an SMT. I don't know. Either I'll have my stop loss underneath the candle that inverses, and then I'll just target I probably just target London highs. Well, Aura is kind of dookie, so I would probably just aim for a 1-to-1, and then bang. I would break even at London highs. That's London highs, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's London high. I'm learning about Forex and futures at the moment, but also the basic market fundamentals. I would just stick with futures. Don't even like try and deal with Forex. Futures is far better than Forex, I think. Cheap to start with prop firms, yeah. No, yeah, 100%, 100%. Forex is low key OD as fuck. Forex back in like, because I remember one of my old friends used to trade Forex. He made I remember he was demo trading and he made like 400K off of a trade back in like 2023, maybe 2024. Forex was hella volatile back then. Now it's mainly futures. Futures are the way to go. The way to go now. I think I'm just gonna chat for the rest of the time, not gonna lie. Cause bro, backtesting Loki just pisses me off. Let me take my glasses off, bro. Yeah, I'll just chat with y'all for the rest of the time, not gonna lie. It's already getting late. It's 10:30 for me. I gotta brush my teeth and I gotta head to bed. Would you recommend futures for beginners as well? Yes. Learn futures. Don't even bother with Forex. Forex now is low key just shitty. I'll look at the Forex market, matter of fact. Let's look at GBP USD, which is what I used to trade. Forex GBP USD. And let's go on the daily time frame. I mean, daily time frame on fucking NQ is just choppage. this is when I stopped trading forex, like beginning of September. There's like 20 forex pairs. How is this forex shitty? LOL. It's just not. It's not better than futures. Yes, there's a lot of pairs, but bro, in my personal opinion, I think forex is shitty. Trading forex in 2026, bro. I'd rather just trade futures. I'd rather just trade futures. This is the daily time frame for forex. Ever since like this is the pair I use to trade. I mean, I'm not shitting on you if you trade forex. If you trade forex and you're making money, then that's valid. But me personally, I don't fuck with forex. Yeah, and I know NQ has been consolidating ever since government shutdown back in like November or October. Um, Learned order flow from Fabio, not trading whole of his idea. Did my own back testing and finally funded from last 2 months and locked in 2 payouts. That's valid as fuck. I was looking at Fabio a few days ago. Um, Future's been in chop for weeks. LOL. It's not about the instrument. It's about the skill. Would you be able? You should be able to trade anything. Yeah, I know, but me personally, I mean, I think futures are way more volatile, and plus, for me personally, trading forex is not the way because the pair that I would trade back in like August or some shit, the time wasn't great. Futures like NQ, ES, there's a lot of volatility at 9:30, which is great for me. Also using his platform that is expensive but very helpful. I was looking at I was checking into order flow yesterday. I got to do more research about that shit. Hold on, I definitely missed some chats. How do you feel about crypto or stocks? I have a few. I threw a few bucks in like XRP and like Solana because big ass dip. Crypto markets have been crashing OD. Matter of fact, let's take a look at crypto. So XRP has just been on a very clean downtrend, bro. We've just been dicking down. Same with Solana, we've just been dumping. Same with fucking Bitcoin, been dumping. Ethereum, been dumping. I low key think crypto might not be the move anymore. Me personally, I've lost a lot of money from crypto. I better have some donuts, bro. I'm a little fat chud. Good ass fucking donut. Can you play bearish in crypto? Yeah, you can short the crypto market. You can short the crypto market. You can short anything. Bro, I want to short Roblox. Because bro, the shit that's been going on with Roblox is crazy, bro. I've seen OD videos on that bitch. Roblox. Let's take a look, bro. The whole pedophile shit that's going on. Yeah, bro. When did that shit happen? Like October or some shit? Maybe like November or some shit, bro. Bro. I should have gotten in on that shit, bro. What time frame are you using? I'm on the daily time frame right now, but the time frame that I trade on is my executions are usually on like 30-second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. It just depends on what we inverse. So like the trade I took Friday, which was a loss. I took a 30-second inverse. I was just hella impatient. This entire the entire month of February, I was break even. First week was low key ass. Second week was good. I was just being a little bitch about it. Third week was decent. Fourth week was also decent. But Friday was I'd give it honestly Friday was low key mid. I was just hella impatient Friday. Oh shit. I was hella impatient Friday. I knew what needed to be done in order for us to be bearish. And I was just being hella impatient. I took literally like the first. Yeah, I remember the trade. I'll go over it right now. So we tapped into this 30-minute. Shit, let me pull up both of the indexes. Bro, these donuts are so good. I'm actually such a fat chud. I'm glad I took the loss, though. I'm gonna put that out now. I'm glad I took the loss. Thank you for the advice. I'm gonna pop out, but if you're still on later, maybe I'll hop back on. Yo, if you want to join the Discord, bro, I'll send you the link real quick. Let me quickly pull this bitch up. Let me quickly get the Discord link. I'm active in it pretty much every day. And also you could... Yo, what? Oh. Oh my god. Wonderful. And also you can vote. You could vote for the poll. Also, I'll send it in the YouTube chat if you want to join it. Bad boy forever. Sleep mode. Man. Let me go on the live real quick. Alright, I'm about to post that. You should be able to trade anything. That was from a little bit ago. Alright, that's the Discord if you do want to join up. Oh damn, my phone's gonna die. Shit. Where's okay, tap. No, but yeah. This was the trade I took. We tapped into a 30-minute. We ended up inverting a 30-second, and we had a sweep of this high, which was also an SMT. Thank you. Good night. All right, peace out, yo. Which was also an SMT. So I entered off with this 30-second getting inversed. It was also a pretty clean inversion. This was my trade. Fast and clean inversion. I entered probably like right here, I think. Stop loss above here. And I was just aiming for like a 1-to-1. But obviously, I got stopped out. Not that deep. I'm glad I got stopped out because I was due for a stop, or I was due for a loss just because of the simple fact I was break even the whole month. Hold on, let me not leak my shit real quick. I gotta turn y'all away, bruh. Y'all can see the YouTube chat for a second. Let me make sure I don't leak anything. Account status, analytics. So yeah, this entire month I've been break even. First week, I was being Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, mid-ass days. Mid as fuck. Oh wait, y'all can't see it on YouTube. Mid as hell. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Ass. In my opinion. We literally just pumped. I remember. Monday we pumped. Tuesday we dumped. Wednesday we dumped. Shitty as fuck. Second week, I was being a little chud. Being a little bitch. Not entering. Third week, I realized I gotta stop being a little bitch. And I gotta take what I can see. Took 2 trades. Both of them were break even. My mentor took the trades and got broke even as well. So I wasn't upset about it. Same with last week of February. Kind of mid, could have been better. And then Friday should have just been a break-even day. But I got impatient. Why does it say I entered at 8:40? That's weird. It's whatever. I'm finna end the YouTube, not the YouTube, the TikTok though, because my phone's about to die. So yeah, if y'all wanna, whoa, why do I got a banana filter on my face? Hey, yo, what the fuck? If y'all wanna join the Discord, bruh, go look at my most recent video in the comments and shit. My Discord link is there. Go join up, bruh. I don't know why I got a banana on my fucking face, but yeah, I'll catch y'all. Peace out. How the fuck do I end this shit? Type shit. All right. Well, let me check my video real quick. Oh, site type shit. All right. Is Bad Boy even still here? I'm gonna take a peek real quick. I'm gonna take a peek because I don't even know. 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 I don't think so. I think Brody dipped. It's whatever. I'm finna stop the stream here, and I will catch y'all later. Peace out. W stream, L backtesting session, W.